So I think I'm gonna go for a habanero and a Reaper. Wait, what's the worst? Which one's the worst?
The Carolina Reaper, which is
the worst.
this one, is the worst. That's fine.
I'm spicy already. Oh my! Oh.
This is so you won't want to take. We can just have it all.
I'm just gonna swallow instead of chewing it too much.
No, chew.
You want?
And the baby.
I already can't taste anything.
Tachi, what was the excuse you gave for not eating a spicy jelly bean?
Bill's silently suffering next to you from his Carolina Reaper.
Ooh, wow.
Same thing, habanero.
Oh, from his habanero, yeah.
Oh wait, did you take the second one?
And I haven't
No,
yet.
he ate a habanero like what you
Oh,
had.
that
what I
was
just
first.
ate. Yeah.
It gets stuck in your teeth and it lingers.
Oh,
Which one was it? Which one was it?
Oh, this is the Carolina Reaper.
See if I can get 2 for 1 here.
Oh, that makes up for it. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bill. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you all.
All right, here we go.
Make a wish.
Stop
Só pra filha.
Ready? Whoop. It's October 26th. We're in the pool in Gainesville, Florida. Little Marco, baby Marco was born yesterday.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Hey!
Oh. Should we get it? Voila.
I thought it'd be more appropriate to, during this time of pandemic, for her to play with the coronavirus ball.
Yellow ball. Say yellow.
Hello.
Yellow. To the bank. Oh, now I have it.
Whee! Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Whoop!
Wow.
Don't poke your eye out, friend. Stop poking your eye.
He's perfect. You're perfect.
Hello, Marco. You got all your fingers and toes, huh? Huh? You're like 26 hours old.
So great. He's got Olivia's little bow mouth. He does.
Can you say Marco?
Coco.
Isso seu no, Marco. Your brother Marco.
Bebê.
Yeah. Okay.
Bebê.
Say, oi.
Bebê.
Yeah.
You want to go to the couch and then she can hold him?
Yeah.
Yeah, happy. You think it's real? Yeah. Yeah, you can say hi. You can touch him. You can say hi. I will let you hold.
Bebê.
Oh, baby. And Marco.
She's looking used to it. She's like, I don't want to touch her yet.
Tudo bem.
It's okay. Daddy's just gonna give a kiss, watch. See? Yeah. Yeah, very good. She's gonna teach you. Your sister's gonna teach you lots of good things.
About apples.
Apples and their colors.
He's awake. What's this? Oh, he's got a good suck. Where's Grandpa? Hey, where is that?
Here, Marco. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. Do you want your passy?
Like a ball. Whoa!
Whoa! Oi! No? Run though!
That's the last one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
She's so young for that.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you hear what she said?
Comendo água.
2, 3.
Marco.
Not gonna go in the pool today. He wanted to at first, and then he said, no. I've changed my mind. I said, would you rather sit with me? And he said, yes. You're the bait.
Try that. No, deixa bom.
Wow.
What is that?
Oh, finally. 1.
Flor branca?
Oh, Franca.
É.
Again? More?
You know?
Here I go. Chilla.
All on time, Munchkin.
Whoa.
Okay. What do we say? Bye.
Whoa. All done. Look at this little boy. It's his first park. It's true. It's his first day at the park. First day at the park. He's like, life is a walk in the park. As long as someone is carrying you or wheeling you. Cover his eyes. Can you see John Williams?
A little bit, a little bit. What is this thing? Okay.
Wow.
Oh, there he goes. Whoa! Whoa, look at how fast he moved in.
I'm glad he went that way.
I know. I was like, as he's running, I was like, oh my.
And you can't see him at all once he goes in there.
There,
Yeah.
that's far enough.
There are probably 500 of them in there.
Apple splitting challenge. Wait, are you supposed to go down? Or like?
Apart. Pull it apart. Because you can smush the apple.
I'm doing a good job of that. Yeah.
Oh,
Well, I'm just smushing it.
Oh.
Wait.
Wow!
Is that what's supposed to happen?
No.
Do I need to try this again?
Okay, now do the other part. Wow!
Kinda.
How to split an apple in thirds. That's
When splitting it in two is not enough.
Yeah, beat that, assistant. I can't close it. You're all in trouble.
What does the gator do, Olivia?
Olivia, como é que o jacaré faz?
Wrong stadium.
Wrong state. Okay. Yeah.
Olivia, can you say go? Go.
Go.
Gators.
Yay!
Yay!
Chala! Say chala! Ah,
Oh.
half of it. Wait, Olivia.
Hold on.
Olivia, this is Mommy's apple. Can I call it that I got it? Just like this? Okay, I might not get it.
You'll get it. You'll get it. Yeah. There's Olivia's apple. You can get it. That's how I do it. One thumb and one hand. Here it comes.
It's harder than labor. This is hard.
Oh, I heard her take a bite and I thought it was your apple.
It was. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
Once it was dry, you could do it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All done.
Amasu.
Good job.
Ta-da.
Yay!
Okay, you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tachi. Or Tachi. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, wait. And Marco, happy 1 week birthday!
Yay!
I'm making molten lava cake. Did the ingredients, there are very few, 6 lava cakes, and I'm putting them in the oven for 7 minutes.
Mmm. He's dreaming of chocolate lava cakes that he'll have secondhand.
It's been 7 minutes. I'm taking the chocolate lava cakes out of the oven. Okay, we'll let them sit a little while and then we'll eat the scrumptious chocolateness. Chocolate lava cakes!
Yay! Say bye.